Hey guys, so today I figured I'd share with you real quick just a apartment tour of kind of just what it looks like every day. It's not really clean. We're going to be moving out actually in less than a month, about 2 weeks now. So it's kind of starting to get in the process of cleaning up, but I really wanted to share it with you guys real quick and just so I can look back on it before we actually fully start packing up, so it kind of looks like how it normally does. So let's get started. Okay, so I have a duplex, so that's actually the front door, and you come up these stairs and there's this big window right here, and then if you can just follow it along, you have this GVSU Lakers flag that's actually just kind of covering up a bunch of holes in the wall. But anyway, come up the stairs and then we have a little shoe area right here, and then up the stairs more, and then there's this kind of like second front door to our apartment. So this is kind of just like the second front door. There's the stairs to kind of go down into the actual front door. So coming from the second front door, you enter straight into our living room. We have, kind of just starting from this wall, a little shoe shelf, a lamp on the floor because there is no actual lighting in this room. And then you have this closet over here that I'm not going to show you. It's really just the closet of horrors that we just kind of shove everything into. And then we have our coat rack, this giant window that I love. And then following over, let the lighting adjust. We have kind of just our entertainment area, lamp, fan, and then this is actually my roommate's couch. It pulls out into a bed, and this is how we kind of just normally leave it. This one section goes underneath and it goes into kind of just a nice couch with a laying out point right there, which is really lovely. And then there's this kind of just nice archway detail that leads into the rest of the apartment. So this is just our dining storage area room, I guess. We have our dining table right here, which I really love, and then another big window, and then we just kind of have random stuff around here in the corners and around on the floor just because we are in the midst of packing. And then we have this dresser here for more storage and kind of just our bar cart-esque. So yeah, and then you have this doorway that doesn't really have a door on it that goes into the kitchen. So our kitchen's very basic, kind of. You have this door that just leads downstairs to the backyard, but you have fridge, very basic. Then we have our trash can, a little rolling cart there, and then this bookcase that we store all of our food. And then cabinet up here, you can just basic kitchen-esque essentials. We have this window that leads out to our backyard, and then this is just the rest of the kitchen. Have our little stove, and I love this kind of over the stove thing for storing pots and pans, and then a little pantry here. This is the door to my roommate's bedroom. Then we have our recycling and our door to our bathroom. So our bathroom is just very simple. We have the towels over the door here, another window, shower over the toilet storage, and then we have sink and mirror. So yeah, and then going back out into the dining area, because I forgot to mention this door right here, because this is just to my room. So I figured I'd share with you guys real quick a glance in my room. It's kind of half packed. I just have rolling cart, this mirror, which I actually kind of broke right there because I dropped it when I was moving it one time, and then TV, which I don't think I've really used at all this year, and then shoe shelf, my very cluttered desk because I've just been kind of shoving stuff on there that I still need to pack, and back my bed, I had a second ottoman right here too, and the stuff wasn't here, but I already took that home. Another lovely window. I hate the fact that the house next door is legit like 10 feet away. It's very annoying, but anyway, we have my bed. I already took a chunk of the bedding home, so it's kind of just mismatch. I have back there, that's just like an extra pillow cushion thing that I use to lean up against when I'm just watching Netflix or something on my bed. And then the rest of my room, I have this like bookcase thing that I use to store clothes mostly. I took most of it home already. So this is just my closet. It's fairly small. It's not very practical because you have shelves back here, but it's very hard to get to if you have actual hanging items like I do. So that is my kind of apartment room tour. I hope you guys like it. It's a very kind of just basic college apartment. It's nothing too fancy. It's definitely a rental. There are a lot of holes and everything in the walls, but it is home. It's been home for the past 12 months pretty much. And yeah, I'm really gonna miss it in the next couple weeks. But yeah, I hope you guys like this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below telling me what your guys' favorite room in your house is, because mine is probably this dining room, even though we don't really use it, just because I have really fun memories in here for like getting ready to go out with friends. And yeah, I will catch you guys later. Bye.